All right, welcome to Inspired Nail Garden. So, like I promised, I'm going to show you queens how to put on your nails. I did this. If you guys want to watch this video in the description, how I created these nails, it will be in the link. Okay, so go ahead, click on this video because these nails is the bomb. Okay, are the bomb. Okay, look at that, y'all. So, all right, so now when you get your nails in the mail, you're going to want to make sure that they fit. So make sure you have a file because if they don't fit, you can shape them to your nails. And I try my best to make sure they fit and look right. Okay. So let's go. Now, this method will last 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. So you want to make sure you get all the stuff off your nails here. Okay. Get it off, shape it down. I've already kind of did mine off camera, but please get it all off your nails. You don't want no oils or nothing on there, okay? And you want to keep your handy dandy glue always with you in your purse. You know what I mean? Keep that handy dandy glue with you, okay? So you can go on Amazon. You can go to the nail store. You can buy top gel. You don't have to buy this brand. It can be this brand. Top coat gel. It can even be this brand. It can be any top coat gel. Okay. But for me, I like to use this brand. Okay. So you want to push back your cuticles if you haven't already, but you could tell I have. So if you got a cuticle pusher, push them things back. Okay. Even if you want to cut them, go ahead and cut them. Okay. Get them loose. All right. Now make sure, is we dropping stuff every single video. Y'all gonna know me about dropping stuff every single video. So now, go ahead and get your gel. Let's move my nail out the way. And you're gonna need a UV lamp. Okay. They got small ones, but let's go ahead and protect my fingernail. Now, it will last longer if you don't put this on, but I like to. Okay. So we're going to do all these fingernails here. And you want to cover it up with one thin layer. Okay. And this is the pop-off method, but this method, for me, with this gel polish, it lasts a little bit longer. I get in the shower, you know, but keep your handy dandy glue with you now, baby. Keep it. Okay. So top gel, UV light. Okay. So we got that on. Now we need to cure this. Cure it for 60 seconds. All right, take your first nail. Okay. Take it off. Or wherever it's at, take it. And see if it fits. Okay. Push that. If you could also use it to push your cuticle back. Okay. And that fits. So you take your handy dandy glue. You apply it to 2 areas. You apply it here. A generous amount here. Okay. A generous amount here. Okay. And then you apply it to your thumb. Both areas. that to the side. Don't let it fall. Don't you let it fall. Then you take this and you smash it on down straight. Okay? Make sure you got it where you want it. And press for, let's see, at least 20 seconds. Press at the tip of your nail too. And we're going to do the same thing for everything. And I think I'm going to decide I'm going to put some yellow glitter underneath all these nails. So I'm not done yet. So stay tuned to how I'm about to put this yellow glitter on the nail. And so you can do the same thing to yours. Okay? So there we go. We have that on. Let's keep moving. So you take your other nail. If we can get it off the sticky thing. Okay, we couldn't get it off the sticky thing. So I will take this and get it off the sticky thing. Okay, and put it back where it belongs over there. And then, whatever's going on these here, I'm going to pull it off. Okay. All right, let's see if it fits. Now, if it don't fit right, just take your file and file it. Okay? You can file it even afterwards on the sides to get it shaped right, okay? Yep, that fits perfectly. Make sure you get those sides good. Okay? If you guys know of another nail glue that even lasts longer than this, that really lasts long like the regular gel glue, then let me know, please. And so we're going to stick this on. Kind of position it right. There we go. Want my nail on right. You can't even tell. It looked like I just did this on the other video. So it looked like I just did that too. Okay, push it down. Okay. I'll drop another thing here. All right, that fits perfectly. Okay. Pick that on up. And let's get it straight. And press down. See the little glue right there? Take that off later. And you could also shape up this part if you need to. But first, get it on there and let it dry. Okay. And you can get in the shower in these. Okay. I'm not saying that it's going to last perfectly, but I've been in the shower twice already with these. Okay, because I did this hand a long time ago. All right. And I haven't had to put any glue on. But keep in mind that I did these different than these. Okay. So let's see. Size it up. See if it fits. Not bad, not bad. So let's go ahead, put our glue on. Okay, okay. Put it on here too, as well. Okay. Move that to the side. Uh-oh, I almost forgot I had glue in there. And then we're going to press on the cuticle part and press down and glue it. Okay. Yes. And moving along, last but not least, let's get the little baby. Let's try the little baby on. Okay, she looks good. Push that back. Okay. Put some in here, on the sides here, down here. We want these to stay, because I want these to stay. These nails just fly, y'all. Okay. All right. Need to push it over just a little bit. There we go. All right. So let me get me some fingernail polish remover. Get this other black stuff off my nails, off my hands. And then I'm about to show y'all how to put some pretty cool effects underneath your nails. All right, so you get your nails in. This is what they looking like. Let me put some cuticle oil on there, baby. Okay, cuticle oil. Don't forget your cuticle oil, y'all. You're just putting on nails. You want to look like you just came from the salon now. Okay, so we got that on. Look at that. Okay, look at that. All right, so that's this hand, and that's that hand.